Hi, I'm Steve Scully, CEO and founder of Thaddeus Medical, and we're making connected hardware for the tracking and control of temperature-sensitive items in the medical supply chain. So medical errors attribute to the third leading cause of death in the United States. Two of the most important aspects, in my opinion, for that are the specimen that is acquired and the therapeutic that is delivered. Two of those two items are at the heart of the medical care plan, and in many occasions they require temperature control and tracking. In addition, the cold supply chain as a whole bleeds $35 billion every year because of ineffective packaging. And so what we're doing is we're creating a refrigeration system in a suitcase that is essentially connected to the internet. It's a very simple concept. However, we have 10 patents that are protecting components of the cooler, as well as the cooler itself and other products in the pipeline. The solution controls temperature for refrigeration or frozen zones and provides real-time tracking, as well as updates to the medical record for important specimens that may become questionable, whether it's a spurious result, a false positive, or a false negative. In addition, our customers are interested in using it for the delivery of controlled substances. If they're a pharmacy, a compounding pharmacy that's delivering to different locations and doing home visits, as well as hospital systems that are interested in eliminating spurious results for their critical specimens. So the team is made up of myself, over a decade of lab experience. Russell Sanders is our chief engineer, and he comes from Thermo King with a great track record, and awesome board of advisors as well. Thank you.
So what do the customers that you've already contacted have to say about this product?
So we've already sold a few units, and we're in beta at the beginning of next year in January. And the feedback already is we can't make the product enough of it to satisfy the demand. And so they're very excited about the ability to see things in real time, where things are, what the temperature history's been, the chain of custody, so who's opened it, where they were, what they were doing when they opened it.
So for your business model, over the next year, how many of these chests do you want to make, at what cost, and what sales?
Yep, so we're doing a direct sale, as well as getting recurring revenue on the data. Our goal is to hit 1,000 units in sales by the end of the year, next year, 2020. And so the price point is sort of in flux. Until we can hit 1,000 units, our costs come way down. They drop significantly. So trying to ensure the demand first.
What is the length of time that a package can go?
So for right now, we're just targeting day trips. The system itself can withstand between 60 to 72 hours, depending on the environmental conditions. And maintain temperature, yep.
Just to follow up on the IP, you talked about protection on the various components. How will that keep you from having someone create kind of the same idea, but not with those components?
Yeah, so I mean, people are going to copy us no matter what. We're going to be the first in the market and have some very excellent concepts and product available. So it'll be a legal battle, I suppose.
I think I missed what is the cost to?
So it's in flux right now, but it's a significant investment for hospital systems, for pharmacies, but the return on investment comes back after about 50 uses, 50 days. Mm-hmm.